Guys, Baba, Garopan Racing, Gintong, Gantimpala, moving up now the outside, looking for the lead is Escolta. It's now Escolta, followed by Fleetwood, around the outside of Sargent, and running in fourth, then Dance Rose, then followed by Gintong, Gantimpala. Out of straight they travel, Escolta leads by some 2.5 lengths, Fleetwood is right behind in second, 2 lengths back, that's Surgeon, running by the wheel, fourth, Gintong Gantimpala, racing fifth, then Dance Rose, then followed by in sixth position from Z to Net, then followed by Matter of Honor, long way back, Sharp Eye. And nearing the last 600, Escolta leads by some 2 lengths, Fleetwood try to get closer in second, here comes Gintong Gantimpala, 2 lengths back, the Sergeant, nearing the last 400, Escolta now in full flight, leads by some 4 lengths, Gintong Gantimpala moving up now to take second, running in third is Fleetwood. Towards the final turn is still Escolta, leads by some 5 lengths, followed by Gintong Gantimpala and Fleetwood. And at the last 75, it's still Escolta. And finally, Escolta, Gintong Gantimpala, Fleetwood, the Sergeant, Matter of Honor, C2Net, then Dance Rose, and Sharp Eye.